It is 2 Sundown E-Series 15s.
Okay.
My name is Tim Horn.
What is your power on it?
I'm running a 1200 watt SIA Sundown series.
Oh, so that little amp is that's pretty impressive.
Yep, that's my mids and highs, a 90 watt 2-channel.
Wow. So 90 by 2 and 1250.
Yep.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, man.
Who built the box?
Voltage barely drops. Got the big 3 done. I just need a second battery. I'm gonna put a second battery in here.
Right there. Okay. So you have no battery right now, just the stock?
Yep, just a stock battery and stock aux.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it.
Yep, got that power wire running and everything.
Where's your port?
I don't have a port.
So it's a sealed box.
Yep.
Okay.
Built the spec.
I like it. How big is your cubic space on the sealed box?
I think it's 6 foot.
Okay.
6 cubic foot.
Awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Tim system at the Savannah Seaport Showdown in 2022. Go ahead and comment what you like about his system and give him a like. Pretty impressive to fit 2 15s in the back seat of his truck. And this is a sealed box enclosure, not ported. I was trying to find the port, but he did confirm it is a sealed box. Don't really see a lot of sealed boxes in SUVs or even these type of style trucks because most people go ported because it's louder, but it got a really clean flat bass response. I wanted to see the specs of this amplifier. It looked like it was rated at 1,250 watts RMS at 1 ohm. It didn't have the best ratings for the reviews on it because it is a really small amp, but it still packs a little powerful punch for small footprint space. And these are the E-Series 500 watt RMS spec Sundown, pretty much their baseline entry-level budget-friendly subs. So pretty low X max, only 14 millimeters, but it gets the job done. And you have a good bit of bass, and cone area is king. 2 15-inch subs in a sealed box on 1,200 watt system. We're getting to a demo of now. Welcome to my channel, JacobViral. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day, and enjoy the demo.
we go? Will I catch up to love? I can never tell.
Say, Joe. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, bomb bass sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting big and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling and blow my pictures. The marijuana mouse and them hoes follow like Twitter, nigga. You know everything, Taylor. Don't rush to the bar pool if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. High as fuck, sloppy drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, your hoe, who we pass them to. Hit the club, spend this money up. Roll another one, drink, act a fool. That's what I have to do.
Hey, nice to meet you. Thanks for the demo. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. I loved it.